Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Civic LX. You will have your power door controls, all-weather floor mats, the vehicle does come equipped with Honda sensing. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, among some of the other security and safety features. You will have an econ mode, a brake hold, electronic parking brake. You also have a USB port as well as a power port. The cup holder, designed to move, especially if you have a larger cup, you'll be able to place it in there. You also have the all-weather floor mats in the back seat. Capless fuel filler. Vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera. Nice deep cargo tray with a spare tire and tool set. This is the 2019 Honda Civic LX.